Welcome to the Weather Center. Let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Thursday, where it's going to be a cloudy and rainy day over the western and southwestern parts of the country, thanks to these two cold fronts which are going to be sweeping across South Africa. We could also see a few dustings of snow over the western mountains of the Western Cape. Thunder showers are going to persist in these areas highlighted here, spilling into western KwaZulu-Natal later on in the day. It's going to stay sunny and hot across the eastern provinces. So you can expect up to an 80% chance of rain this Thursday along the southwest coastline. The chance of rain decreases to 60% where you see that dark shade of blue. A 60% chance of thunderstorms is also forecast across much of the Eastern Cape, and the chance of rain and thunderstorms decreases to between 20 and 40% where you see the lighter shades of blue. We have a number of weather alerts issued by the South African Weather Service, including a warning for high fire danger across much of eastern South Africa. We also have a warning in place for heavy rain over the southwestern parts of the Western Cape. A warning has also been issued for gale force winds over the western interior and along the southwestern coastal areas. We also have a watch in place for high seas between Table Bay and the Port Alfred area. It's going to be cool to cold this afternoon across the western half of South Africa. Look at Sutherland managing a high of just 10 degrees, 13 in Springbok. The mother city will make it to just 16 degrees. It's going to be warmer, however, as we go towards the Eastern Cape. Sizzling hot across much of KwaZulu-Natal with top temperatures reaching 38 for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay, 35 for the high in Mbombela, Pretoria 30, and a high of 28 is forecast for Johannesburg. Beach conditions are not going to be great this Thursday along the west coast. It's going to be cloudy and wet here, and this is going to be coupled with strong winds in places, and we're expecting swell heights to average around 3 meters off the west coast. Bigger swell heights are forecast along much of the southwest coast, reaching around 6 meters in places. It's also going to be windy here with winds gusting up to 65 kilometers per hour around the Cape Agulhas area. We are also expecting cloudy and wet weather as well as strong winds to keep beach conditions uninviting along much of the south coast. Swell heights here will reach at least 5 meters in places. Lastly, along the east coast, we are expecting smaller swell heights here, but beach conditions are going to be uninviting in most areas. That's it from me for now. Have a great one.